How do you say I am happy in Ukrainian? Well, you might be surprised to learn that one of the most common verbs in English, to be, just often disappears. So what do Ukrainians say instead? If you ever stared at a Ukrainian sentence thinking, wait, where is the verb? Then you are exactly in the right place. My name is Tetiana and I'm here to guide you through one of the most fundamental and honestly the most interesting parts of the Ukrainian language. In this video we are going to master the verb to be, which is bути, the vanishing verb in the present simple. In English, a sentence feels naked without the verb to be. We say, she is a teacher, I am a doctor, they are from Ukraine. In Ukrainian, for these simple descriptive sentences, the verb to be is almost always dropped. It just vanishes. Think of this way. The link is so obvious, you don't even need a verb. You just put a subject and its description next to each other. Let's look at some examples. To state your job or identity, you just say who you are. I am a student. Я студент. She is a doctor. Вона лікарка. This isn't just for jobs. It works with characteristics, nationalities, and descriptions too. For nationalities, he is Ukrainian. Він українець. They are Americans. Вони американці. For descriptions and adjectives, я щаслива for female and ти щасливий for male. See how it's simple once you get used to it. It's actually a super efficient way to speak. You basically making a direct statement. The exceptions to the rule. Now I'm gonna bring the word to be back. There is a word for am, is, are in the present simple, and this word is ye. So when do you usually use ye? You use this word to emphasize existence. Think of it as it exists. Let's compare. If you say, my brother is a programmer, you just describe his job. Мій брат – програміст. But if somebody asks you, do you have a brother? You answer by confirming his existence. Yes, I have a brother. Так, у мене є брат. Here, ye stresses that brother exists in my life. The most common way you'll use ye every day is to say that you have something. The formula is у plus person in genitive case plus ye plus the thing you have. Let's break it down. I have a car. У мене є машина. She has a question. У неї є питання. In all these cases, ye is confirming the existence of something, the question, the car. So to recap this critical section. For simple descriptions, job, nationality, adjectives, in present, drop the verb. Use ye to emphasize existence, or when using the to have construction. У мене є. Okay, let's come back on solid ground. The past and future tenses of bути are much more friendlier because they are always used. Let's start with the past. The past tense of bути is just as much common as was and were in English. The key difference is that in Ukrainian, the verb to be has to agree with subject's gender and number. It might sound tricky, but it's pretty logical once you see it. There are just 4 forms to learn. The 4 past tense forms are був for masculine singular subject, була for feminine singular subject, було for neuter singular subject, and були for plural subjects, any gender. Let's run through them with plenty of examples. Masculine form був. Use this when the subject is he or a masculine noun. He was at home, він був дома. My brother was a student, Мій брат був студентом. You might know the word student change its ending here. It's the instrumental case and it's a topic for another lesson. For now, just focus on the verb. Feminine form була. Use this when the subject is she or a feminine noun. She was at work. Вона була на роботі. The book was on the table. Книга була на столі. Neuter form було. This is for it, for neuter noun, and for general statements when there is no specific gendered subject. It was cold yesterday. Учора було холодно. The window was opened. Вікно було відчинене. Plural form були. This one is the easiest. You use були for all plural nouns, no matter what is the gender. They were in the park. Вони були в парку. My parents were tired. Мої батьки були втомлені. Just ask yourself, is the subject masculine, neuter, feminine or plural? Then pick the right form. Now let's look at the future. The future tense of бути is also required, and in some point it's even easier because you shouldn't worry about the gender. You just need to match the verb to the person, I, you, we, etc. Let's look at the conjunction table for бути. Я буду, I will be. Ти будеш, you will be. Він, вона, воно буде. He, she, it will be. Ми будемо. We will be. Ви будете. You will be for plural or formal. Вони будуть. They will be. The ending change for each person, which is standard for Ukrainian verbs. Let's put them to work. I will be at home tomorrow. Я буду вдома завтра. He will be a great leader. Він буде чудовим лідером. Now let's mention about some cultural note. Here is a fantastical cultural case that uses our verb. When Ukrainians raise a glass for a toast, they often shout будьмо. This is the common form of бути for we, and it literally means let us be. So next time you are celebrating with Ukrainian friends, you know what to say. I really hope this step-by-step guide helped clear things up. If it did, please give this video a like. It genuinely helps this channel to find more learners just like you. And for more lessons, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And now the homework. In the comments below, write one sentence in the past tense and one sentence in the future tense using the verb to be. Thank you for being with me today. See you soon. Bye-bye.